It doesn't matter if you leave your phone out or not.
What's the problem when you have a sleeping? Isn't there a name for it?
Yeah.
Sleep apnea. Oh, sleep apnea. Yeah, that's when you
And then he holds you.
wake up
Daddy hold you.
abruptly, like, because you can't breathe really.
Yeah.
That's true.
Drop your shade.
Or
Oh, did you drop your shade?
this chair holds it like that.
There you go.
You gotta watch it.